How to buy CyberMonkey AI token. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the code below. Fund your account and enjoy the benefits you get down the description. So, as you can see, to be able to buy this token, what you need to do, go to this pre-sale page, as you can see. So you will see this contract address. So read that. So they said that to participate in the pre-sale, send SOL directly to the address above. Tokens will be automatically sent to your wallet after the pre-sale ends. So after the pre-sale concludes, all the collected SOL will be used to add liquidity. Join the cyber revolution and become part of the CyberMonkey AI army. So what you need to do, just copy the token address, the contract address from here, and go and open your, I will just go it from here. So after that, what you need to do, as you can see here, copy this contract address, go to your Phantom wallet or any wallet that you have the SOL there. So after that, you need to send a SOL to this contract address. So what you need to do here, we'll just wait a few seconds. So after that, click on send. Now select the SOL. So after that, the participant SOL and address, paste it here. So after that, type how much you want to send. So after that, click on next, and you will be able to send the SOL to that contract address. So after that, they will send you after the pre-sale is end, they will send you the amount that's equal this amount that you send them to their address. So you'll be able to receive the amount of tokens on your wallet. So this is how to buy CyberMonkey AI token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.